Alright you guys, in this video we're going to continue with the coordinate plane system, but in this video we're going to be talking a little bit more about the formation of polygons as opposed to just line segments. Now, don't let that intimidate you by any means. What all that means is that in this video we're going to be taking 3 or more points that we have learned to determine from our previous video and forming shapes within a coordinate plane system. Now, just a little recap of how the coordinate plane system works. Right now, we're currently only going to work in the positive quadrant. Again, later we're going to be learning that there are 3 other quadrants that actually make up the coordinate plane system. But right now, we're just focusing on positive values. The axes that form a coordinate plane system are your y and x axis. Your y is always vertical and your x is always horizontal until you get later way in more complex math. But for right now, we're just sticking to y is your vertical and x is your horizontal. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, instead of just making lines, we're going to make shapes. So this one says, draw the polygon with the given vertices of from the following points. So we have the point 4, 7. We have the point 6, 2. And we have the point 0, 0. Now, just to show you what the colors mean, red indicates that those are the numbers that are in direct relationship with the x-axis. When you read the numbers of the system, you're going to start with your x-axis, then you're going to go to your y. Okay? So, looking at the first one, we have 4, 7. So what we're going to do, again, think about either the soccer coach or the treasure hunt. Let's look at the soccer coach example. Your coach for this play wants you to run 4 units forward and then up 7. Okay? So you're going to run forward down the field, aka right to left, or left to right, sorry. Starting at the origin, again your origin is always 0, 0. You're going to travel 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to travel up 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is your first point. That's your point. Now, for this next one, let's pretend he asks the second player for a second play, or to play, is a 6, 2 point. So he's going to have this player go a little different direction than you did. He's going to start at the origin, same place you did, but instead he's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right, up 2. 1, 2. That's his position. Now, looking at the last player, we see something very significant. 0, 0 is also the origin. This, another way to put it, is he's moving 0 units to the right, 0 units up. He's going to stay exactly where he is. He's not going to move. Okay? Again, because the origin is a 0, 0, even if you were to notice that the point is the same as the origin, all you have to do is look here and say, he's not moving any points to the right, and he's not moving any points up, okay? So he's going to stay right here. Now, if you look very closely, just like I did in the previous video, if I connect line segments, instead of just getting line segments, I actually get the formation of a triangle. Okay? And that's all we're doing in this new section of the coordinate plane system. We're simply just putting a polygon into the plane. Okay? So if going with the soccer reference, if this was a play he created, maybe this player starts at this point, stays here, and either fakes a pass to him or passes to him, just to keep the analogy going. But as you can see, the formation of a triangle is created. Let's look at another example. Okay, so for this next one, we have draw the polygon in the coordinate plane system with the given vertices. Alright, same as before. Now, right off the bat, I would like to stress, do not let fractions scare you, okay? All it means is that there is a point between two integers that is where the x-axis or y-axis is going to be for the value that we're looking at. Let's look at what I mean by that. We have 1.5, 4. We're following the same pattern here, okay? This coach makes a play with 4 players. We're going to start with the first player, and he's only going to move 1.5 units to the right. Here's 1. He's going to go a little bit past 1, but he's not going to go to 2. So he's going to go right in between. So it's right here, in between 1 and 2. Okay. Next, he's going to go up 4 again. Y is associated with 4, and that's how many units he moves up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our first player goes right here. This is the value of 1 and 4. Okay. Or 1.5, 4, I'm sorry. So I'll mark that 1.5, 4. Alright. Next, we have 1.5, 8. Again, this player is going to move 1.5. Again, he's not going to go to 2 just yet, or not quite just to 2. Then he's going to move up 8 units. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'll mark this 1.5. 8. Okay. Now, looking at the next value, we have 5, 8. This player, again, x to x, so he's going to move to the right 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, for your y unit, you're going to go up, because it's a positive value, 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll mark 5, 8 here. Okay. Next one, we have 5, 4. This last player is going to move the same thing, guys. Okay. Just remember, your x determines whether you're going right or left, but you're going right because this is a plus. Positive values only. Okay. No negative. And y is determining your up or down. But again, y is going to only going up for right now. So 5, 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. And 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. I'll mark this as 5, 4. Okay. Now, oops, that's not very good. There. Okay. Now, when you look very closely at this, as I just start drawing line segments, this time, instead of a triangle, I form a rectangle. Okay, and again, this is all we're doing, is forming shapes inside of the region itself. Okay, let's do one more really quick. Okay, we have the points 6, 2, 6, 8, and 3, 1. Okay. Now, using the same plan that we did with the other ones, we're going to have 3 players. The first one is going to move 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 units to the right, because that's the x-axis, and up 2. Okay. This next player is going to go 6, 8. So he's going to go the same amount of units to the right, 4, 5, 6, but he's going to go 8 units up instead of just 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now lastly, this last player is going to go 3, 1. Again, your x-axis is to your left and right, but he's only going to go to the right because it's positive. 2, 3, and he's only going to go up 1 determined by your y-axis. Okay? And then when you connect these together, you get the formation of another triangle. Alright. If you guys have any questions regarding this stuff, please let me know. Okay? I hope this helps you guys out. Okay? I'll be doing some more videos, but if you guys have any special requests for any kind of polygon put into the plane, or a little bit more about how the coordinate plane system works, please do not hesitate to message me, okay? I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.